So this is by far the best ice maker that I have ever had. It's been a lifesaver for sure. All you do is add water. You see the max fill line back there in the back. You put your basket back in. Super easy. I already have a little bit of ice made. That's what it looks like. Comes with a scoop and a water line. And it makes pellet ice. Just so clean and crisp. Shut the lid, and that's about how loud it is. See, that's a quart-sized mason jar sitting there, so that's about how big it is. Super convenient, super easy to use. Tells you when it's full. You just press the button to clean it after you empty it out. Tells you when to add water. Super easy, super convenient. Love it.